Which synonym belongs to elucidate? The correct answer is illuminate. Which synonym belongs to demeanor? The correct answer is comportment. Which synonym belongs to glacial? The correct answer is ice age. Which synonym belongs to paradigm? The correct answer is model. Which synonym belongs to pummel? The correct answer is swell. Which synonym belongs to singular? The correct answer is rummy. Which synonym belongs to fetter? The correct answer is leg irons. Which synonym belongs to assimilate? The correct answer is integrate. Which synonym belongs to rhetoric? The correct answer is wordcraft. Which synonym belongs to gratuitous? The correct answer is gratis. Which synonym belongs to notorious? The correct answer is ill-famed. Which synonym belongs to ethereal? The correct answer is Arius. Which synonym belongs to lissome? The correct answer is supple. Which synonym belongs to medium? The correct answer is mediumly. Which synonym belongs to ardor? The correct answer is passion. Which synonym belongs to prognosticate? The correct answer is presage. Which synonym belongs to exacting? The correct answer is rapacious. Which synonym belongs to desiccate? The correct answer is execrate. Which synonym belongs to neologism? The correct answer is coinage. Which synonym belongs to fathom? The correct answer is stayed.